Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming which Rin and SAE implementations you have and why that matters. Different releases change Latch semantics. Once done, authenticate to Azure and pick the subscription and resource group you'll use. Permissions matter because latches touch orchestration and networking. Next, stage the artifacts, configuration, service keys, and a single test resource, so you can iterate quickly. Make sure to document version numbers and any feature flags. That saves debugging time when behaviors diverge. You deploy Rin and SAE latches side by side into isolated test environments to compare how each handles contention and failover. While running, collect metrics, latency, retry counts, error rates, CPU, and memory, so you can quantify differences. Then, inspect logs and telemetry to understand state transitions and timestamps. This reveals race conditions and ordering assumptions. Once you have traces, correlate events across systems to see where semantics diverge. Then iterate. You finalize by applying the selected latch in staging and running full end-to-end tests to validate SLA and functional expectations. Next, document the exact configuration differences, the rollout plan, and clear rollback steps so production changes are reversible. If things go wrong, enable verbose logging and compare traces from both implementations to isolate behavior. Then reduce concurrency to reproduce the issue deterministically. Make sure to communicate findings and follow a controlled rollout based on measured risk and test results.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.